Street behind the parade. We also want to encourage you to do some downtown shopping. Remember to continue to shop and support our local businesses. Now, before we begin, ladies and gentlemen, please remove your hats and rise for the singing of our national anthem performed today by Atra Calhoun.
Oh, say, can you see behind the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, Dawn's last star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you, Atra.
That one city cop that's in that golf cart behind
Washington County Middle School
They must
boys
been in the
basketball
hard
team.
part.
Let's take a moment to recognize
Because
this group of
they
outstanding young
flag.
men. The Washington County Middle School boys basketball team today are walking with the American flag.
Well,
They
if
show
he's
these
in
generals our
uniform,
support for their
he
hard
should
work
have.
and well as their
Whether he
patriotic
did
spirit
the
today.
military
Thank
or
you
not,
for being
he's
with us
fine.
today, gentlemen.
But, you know, I was in the Marines, and so I usually do, if I'm civilian clothes, obviously, I just...
Welcome our next parade participant, Bobby Brady. Bobby is riding in his 1951 Willys Jeep, totally refurbished in Alabama. Mr. Brady served our country in Korea and Germany and various bases in the United States. The driver today is Bobby's grandson, Brady Lawson. Mr. Brady, thank you for your service to our great nation and thank you for sharing your Jeep with us today. Big round of applause. Starting our parade today is Springfield Police Department Chief Police Sue Mudd. We want to thank you and all of our members for Springfield Police Department for keeping us safe, all of our residents. We appreciate everything the Springfield Police Department does.
There comes the tomato.
Next up is our very own Mayor, Chris Exits. Mayor Snappy, ladies and gentlemen. His wife, Katie. And the tomato has made its way to Springfield today. Give them a big round of applause. All they do, not only for our city, but the sponsorships that Snappy Tomato provides to our local community. Up next in the parade lineup is the Washington County Cheerleaders. This spirited team is led by Coach Devin Crouch and Megan Couch. And show them support today. Thank you for being here, ladies. Let's see. Next, we have our Washington County Jailer, Joe Mudd. with us, along with his deputies Isaac Fry, Tony Furman, and Sally Rios. We appreciate all the service that they provide. Mr. Furman, Sally. Please give a warm welcome to our next parade participant, Ashton Jones. Ashton is representing the Washington County as Distinguished Young Woman. In June, she was named as a Washington County Distinguished Young Woman at the local program. In January, she will go on to compete at the state level in Lexington. Currently, Ashton serves as Springfield Tourism Intern. She works very hard for her community each and every day. Good luck, Ashton. We are very proud of you. We're excited to welcome our next participant, Rosalie Carrico. She was named Citizen of the Year by the Springfield, Washington County Chamber of Commerce. She's been a homemaker for 30 years, Old Fashioned Club, Red Hat Ladies, and helps with the Red Cross Blood Drive. She's known around town for her friendly and positive spirit and always a sunshine wherever she goes. Thank you for being with us today, Ms. Carrico. We're excited for this next float. The Washington County Girl Scouts are excited to share this year's Sorghum Festival experience with everyone. The troop was started 4 years ago with several young ladies from across Washington County area from elementary to high school. These young ladies can be found throughout the county during the Girl Scout cookies selling season, working with many partners in the community. They can also be found working with the partners in the community to make the community better by raising money for other organizations such as the Springfield Fire Department and KTROF organization for Marion County. These girls have plans to complete an Take Action project, working with nursing home and stocking the food pantry boxes throughout the county. Girl Scout Troop 447. Next in our parade is our very own Washington County Sheriff, Jerry Pinkston. He has been his 6 road deputies and K-9 Viper, 2 school resource officers. Sheriff Pinkston and his deputies are proud to serve and protect every citizen of Washington County. Thank you for everything you do to keep our county safe. Next, everybody else is in a hurry. Thank you, Judge. Just hold tight there for a minute. We appreciate it. I'm reading fast as I can. I'm selling people up here. Let's welcome our parade Judge Executive Tim Graves and our County Clerk, Brett Berry. Tim Graves has been serving Washington County since 2019 and is excited to seek re-election in 2026. County Clerk Brett Berry has been an employee of the Clerk's Office since 2003. She was elected in 2023 and will be seeking election in 2026. Next, we have the Marion County Veterans Honor Guard. We are honored to have them at Marion County Veterans Honor Guard bus with us today. Big round of applause and show them our support. I realize it's downhill, but we got brakes, y'all. This is the noisy part of the parade, bringing up the rear last but certainly not least. Springfield Fire Department. Appreciate them tremendously. If you're interested in serving in the fire department, please stop by the Springfield Fire Department for an application. That's line 1.
Hope they don't get a call. They really sound off.
Engine 2.
That'll hush them up right quick. They making a left down there.
More members of our Washington County Fire Department. Next up, we have our contestants and winners from this morning's Prince and Princess contest. Now this is appropriate speed. I can handle this.
Yeah, they're going real slow. They got babies on there, that's why.
babies hanging out.
Good job, Russell.
They don't want to throw one in the small.
That speed bump is not permanent. And we're not putting a roundabout here, so we're good.
Don't need no roundabout. You get somebody
The other
to
three I like.
building.
This one would be weird. We couldn't have a parade.
You couldn't have nothing if you put a roundabout.
Big round of applause for all of our Prince and Princess contestants this morning.
Then they'll be have to pass the building.
Next is Temple Baptist Church Sweet Praise Sorghum Days. Check out the next float featuring Temple Baptist Church of Springfield. We're a growing family-focused church that loves our town and loves serving people through vibrant worship, Bible preaching, kids and student ministries, community service projects, events that bring neighbors together. Their float celebrates faith, family, and the hope of Jesus for every home on every street. If you're new to the church or looking for a fresh start, we'd be honored to meet you and your family. Temple Baptist Church, a home for your family, a hope for our community. Thank you for being here today. Next, we are happy to welcome Pam Breeding and Piper, dog show contestants. Cruising in with special crew, the cutest co-pilot, Piper, the poodle, with her mom, Pamela Breeding, along with Terry Lewis and Donna Walls. Thank you for being with us today. Next up is Springfield Tourism Commission title sponsor of the Sorghum Festival. Driving is Laura Justice, Executive Director and Board Member Anne-Marie Lloyd. Anne-Marie Lloyd. Anne-Marie Lloyd, the Springfield, Washington County Chamber of Commerce Volunteer of the Year. Happy to announce this next parade participant, Anne-Marie Lloyd. Anne-Marie has been a proud member of Springfield, Washington County for 36 years, volunteering her time and talents to various organizations within our community. She's an advisor for President of Springfield, Washington County Chamber of Commerce, Chamber Teen Ambassador Director, Board Member, Lincoln Trail Area Development District, Board Member, Central Kentucky Community Action, Vice Chair of Springfield Main Street, Board Member, Springfield Tourism, Business and Professional Women's Club, Commander Ready Mentor Program, Chair of the Washington County High School Project Graduation, various committees for Washington County High School, and works for the DWC Transportation LLC, downtown Main Street. Anne-Marie, thank you for all you do for our community.
He's going to have him bottle water.
Coming down the street, let's give a big round, Washington County level. Welcome to the Washington County Youth Sports Cheerleaders. This energetic group is a part of the Washington County Youth Sports, a non-profit organization committed to empowering your youth athletes right here in our community. They believe our youth are tomorrow's leaders, and today they are leading with spirit, pride, and a whole lot of cheer. This marks this second exciting season of youth cheerleading offered by them. And what a season it's shaping up to be. With pom-poms flying, smiles shining, these cheerleaders are ready to light up the parade route. Up next is the beautiful 54 Chevy truck. Driver is Jeremy Newton. Jeremy is accomplished today by his beautiful wife, Newton. Thank you for sharing your ride with the crowd.
That's a weird looking car.
Billy Mattingly is in his 1968 VW. Please welcome and give our next parade participant, Billy Mattingly, just a grandpa and his grandkids riding in his 1968 Volkswagen. Thank you for joining us today.
Don't look like a Volkswagen.
Dog show participant, we'll see you at the conclusion of this. Next up, we invite you to fall into agriculture with the Washington County FFA. The mission of the Future Farmers of America is to make a positive difference in the lives of students by developing their potential for career leadership, personal growth, and career success through agricultural education.
That turkey will work hot.
Even if it's a blow-up suit.
Meet the youth actors cast of Footloose the musical. These students will be bringing the rocking 80s musical to life this November. Based off the 1984 classic movie Footloose, they follow Ren McCormick on his move from Chicago to a small farming town in Beaumont. He's not prepared for the rigorous local edicts, including a ban on dancing instituted by a local preacher who is determined to exercise control over the town's youth. When the Reverend's rebellious daughter Ariel sets her sights on Ren, her roughneck boyfriend tries to sabotage Ren's reputation, with many of the locals eager to believe the worst part about the new kid. The heartfelt story that emerges pins a father longing for the son he lost against a young man aching for his father who walked out on him. With several classic 80s hits, it's a toe-tapping musical wanting to kick off your Sunday shoes and cut loose. Join them November 14th through the 16th, 21st through the 23rd at Central Kentucky Theater for Footloose.
Heck, all you gotta do is watch TNN on Saturday night. They show you how to dance. You can learn that dance easy.
Next we have Ben Mudd, Republican candidate for state senate. Welcome to the Sorghum Festival, Ben. Ben is a Republican candidate running for state senate. He's happy to be here with us today.
He might be going to take
St. Dominic Middle School and Tiny Night Cheerleaders. Our next parade floats is the St. Dominic Night Middle School Cheerleaders. They are proud to bring spirit back to the middle school basketball games. This group of girls really brings the spirit after a couple years not having a team. The past few weeks have been mentoring our Tiny Night cheerleaders. Tiny Nights are in grades kindergarten, first and second. They may be tiny, but they are mighty. Big round of applause for St. Dominic Middle School and Tiny Night cheerleaders.
Big Hummer.
yeah, it's a new guy for him.
Eddie Mudd on his John Deere 3010 tractor. Always love seeing good-looking tractors in our parade. Thank you for being here with us today. Important to right in the 1950 John Deere B tractor. Thank you for showcasing your tractor. EMS and Rescue. A big round of applause for our Springfield, Washington County EMS and Rescue that's with us today. We appreciate all they do. And blocking off Main Street for special events like this parade. We appreciate all of our first responders. Next we have Donnie Settles with Mark Sims in a 68 Camaro.
No wonder if that Fury $4 Wildcat. He wants to spin a car.
Springfield, Washington County Rescue Squad. Small prayer. They don't go out unless it's absolutely necessary.
They go out at about every wreck. Can't tell me that. I watch them over letting them do it. That's the end of it.
Tomorrow's activities, as we bring up the conclusion of our parade, let's give all of our participants a round of applause before I do that. Tomorrow, the cruise-in will be between 12 and 4, right here